do you know any other hero who will give 3.5 years of his life for a character that he believes in? Can you name any one? Then I will think of it. Then I will think of it. Other than that, it's impossible things. Thank you, Prabhas, for being a friend, for being a fool, for being as crazy as I am. And thanks for being Amarendra Bahubali and Mahendra Bahubali.
Work చేసేటప్పుడు తెలిసింది because అంటే he had a shoulder surgery and he had to take some time off. But he was never worried after he had to do 100 days of action after doing the surgery and after resting. So appudu ante he never thought even once ante ela chestanu. He used to do the most difficult stunts even after that. So ante oka commitment anedi oka passion. I mean, commitment comes from a lot of passion. It's not because commit chesam kabatti cheyali ala kaadu. Chala enjoy chesi aa passion to కమిట్మెంట్ ని ఫుల్ చేయటం అనేది ఇంకా దట్స్ వాట్ యూ వాంట్ వెన్ యూ సీ అన్ యాక్టర్ యూ గెట్ వెరీ వెరీ
Before we started shooting, like 6 months before, we did a lot of homework, we did a lot of exercise, and for one character I wanted to build a huge body, and other character like not so huge, little toned up from there to look there should be a little difference between both the characters. And everybody a lot of us did a lot of homework, like we did workshops, we went for stress, there is like a lot of things.
Injuries?
Like surgery, small hurt here and there, in a lot of action and all. The surgery was a big thing, because after that I need to finish the war. We stopped the war in between. And after that, Rajamouli took a lot of care in part 2 especially.
Also, a question from you that came in earlier from Nicole, who says, would you work with Prabhas again?
Of course, again and again and again.
And very quickly,
Prabhas used to work out for 6 hours daily and would start training early in the morning. His regime would start with about 1.5 hours of cardio, and in the evenings, for strengthening his body muscles, he would lift weight for about 1.5 hours. The actor gained a whopping 20 kilos for his part as Amarendra Bahubali, and his typical diet consisted of fish, 40 egg whites, vegetables and almonds. Prabhas used to take a meal every 2 hours and had a total of 6 meals every day. The total calorie intake of Prabhas while shooting for Bahubali was between 2,000 to 4,000 calories a day. With a workout and diet regimen like this, no wonder Prabhas looks like a god of war in Bahubali.
Very soon. I would love to meet Prabhas, but what will happen is if I meet Prabhas and he'll like be high and I'll be like,
anyways, you look beautiful, so
no, that is Prabhas. I'll faint. I won't be able to say anything.
have you? Most of the girls they think of